Machine recycling industry metals recycling. Metal recycling is the process of reusing old metal material, mainly aluminum and steel, to make new products. Black Beverages manhandle recycling metals by melting and reusing them. A visit to almost anywhere in the country will show that the scrap business is alive. You can see scrap yards where the scrap metal is piled high, cranes are lifting and sorting, and trucks that are hauling the scrap metal in and out of the place. Recycling metal is important because it creates businesses. It also plays an important role in conserving our natural resources. Michigan currently ranks the lowest of the Great Lakes states to recycle. We currently recycle only 20%, and our recycling rate has decreased over the last 20 years, while every other state in our region has had an increase. The jobs created by the industry represent about 3.6% of the total Michigan wage and salary employment, and is about 1.6% of total personnel income, and also brings in about $490 million in state and tax revenue. If we increased Michigan's recycling rate to just 30% from our current 20%, we could create 7,000 to 13,000 more jobs. If we could produce $300 million in annual income, and such as $22 million annually in additional state tax revenue, creating 7,000 to 13,000 new jobs from recycling may sound low. However, over the last 2 years, only 3 out of 12 major business sectors created more than 7,000 jobs. Looking at our unemployment rate, using the economic benefits from the increased recycling can be made a priority in our state. Did you know that Americans use over 100 million steel cans and over 200 million aluminum beverage cans every day? That's enough to rebuild the entire U.S. commercial air fleet every 3 months. There are many things that we can do to increase recycling. What can be recycled? Ferrous metals or magnetic scrap is iron and steel recovered from automobiles, farm equipment, household appliances, steel beams, fridges, railroad tracks, and ships. Ferrous scrap is a vital raw metal for the production of new steel and cast iron products. Currently, more than 2 out of 3 pounds of steel made in the U.S. are manufactured using ferrous scrap. Non-ferrous scrap metal or non-magnetic scrap refers to scrap metal other than iron and steel and includes aluminum, copper, lead, zinc, nickel, titanium, cobalt, and precious metals. Non-ferrous scrap is recovered from a wide range of old, outdated consumer, commercial, and industrial sources, everything from soft drink containers to automobile radiators to electronics and airplanes. What are the benefits of recycling? You can go to scrap metal recycling facilities and get paid for what you bring. Reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Aluminum and steel can be recycled over and over again. Decreases environmental damage caused by mining. Less land and water pollution. Recycling old metal products uses 95% less energy than manufacturing it from new metal materials. Recycling reduces greenhouse gas emissions by considerably saving the amount of energy needed to make the products that we buy, build, and use. The energy saved by recycling can be used for more important purposes such as heating our homes and powering our automobiles.
Wish I would've known, cause I didn't kiss my mama goodbye. I didn't tell her that I loved her, how much I cared. I thank my pops for all the talks and all the wisdom he shared. Unaware, I just did what I always do. Every day the same routine before I skate off to school. But who knew that this like the rest. Instead of taking the test, I took 2 to the chest. Call me blind, but I didn't see it coming. Everybody was running, but I couldn't hear nothing except gun blast. It happened so fast, I didn't really know this kid, though I survived in class. Maybe this kid was reaching out for love, or maybe for a moment he forgot who he was, or maybe this kid just wanted to be hugged. Whatever it was, I know it's because we are the youth of the nation. We are youth of the nation. We are the youth of the nation. We are youth of the nation. Little Susie, she was only 12. She was given the world with every chance to excel. Hang with the boys and hear the stories they tell. She might act kinda proud but no respect for herself. She finds love in all the wrong places. The same situations, just different faces. Changed up her pace since her daddy left her. Too bad he never told her she deserved much better. Johnny boy always played the fool. He broke all the rules so you would think he was cool. He was never really one of the guys. No matter how hard he tried, up the thought of suicide. It's kind of hard when you ain't got no friends. He put his life to an end, they might remember him then. You cross the line and there's no turning back. Told the world how he felt with the sound of a gat. We are the youth of the nation. We are youth of the nation. We are the youth of the nation. We are youth of the nation. Who's to blame for the life the tragedies claim? No matter what you say, it don't take away the pain that I feel inside. I'm tired of all the lies, don't nobody know why. It's